A very good morning to all of you. Welcome back to this session. Now, today I'm going to discuss a new chapter of your syllabus related to the importance of English language. जैसा कि आप पहले से जान रहे हैं कि 12th में आपको एक द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज खास करके इस प्रकार से दिया जाता है कि अंग्रेजी के बारे में आप ब्रीफ नोट किस प्रकार से लिख सकते हैं, या आपको इस तरह से पूछा जा सकता है कि द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के बारे में आप अपना विचार रखें, या फिर हम इसको कह सकते हैं कि डिस्कस द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इंग्लिश in India, or we can say that in other word you are asked a question. English is known as an international language, describe it. या फिर आपको ये कहा जा सकता है कि इंग्लिश इज अ ग्लोबल लैंग्वेज और वर्ल्ड लैंग्वेज और कॉरपोरेट लैंग्वेज या फिर लिंक लैंग्वेज, डिस्क्राइब इट, इस प्रकार से दिया जा सकता है। तो आज हम आपके उस चैप्टर पर डिस्कस करेंगे जिसमें इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज के ऊपर खास करके इससे डिफरेंट जो क्वेश्चन खास करके आपको एग्जाम में जो आएगा वो इस प्रकार से होगा। जैसे इंग्लिश के नोट और खास करके इम्पोर्टेंस पर आएगा, या फिर आपको इस तरह से कहा जा सकता है कि राइट शॉर्ट नोट्स, है ना, राइट शॉर्ट नोट्स ऑन द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इंग्लिश। या फिर इस तरह से दिया जा सकता है कि इंग्लिश के डिफरेंट, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज से जुड़े डिफरेंट टाइप्स के क्वेश्चन पर आपको लिखने के लिए दिया जा सकता है। क्लियर? शॉर्ट नोट, ब्रीफ डिस्क्रिप्शन, या इंग्लिश इज नोन एज कॉरपोरेट लैंग्वेज, वर्ल्ड लैंग्वेज, इस प्रकार से, है ना। या कहेगा कि इंग्लिश इज नोन एज लिंक लैंग्वेज, अ लिंक लैंग्वेज, है ना, डिस्क्राइब इट, इसके बारे में आपको इस पर लिखना है। तो आज मैं इस पर इंग्लिश में ही, चूँकि इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज पर है तो इंग्लिश में ही ज़्यादातर आपको यहाँ पर मैं चर्चा करूँगा। तो नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज। एट प्रेजेंट इंडिया खास करके अगर देखा जाए, इंग्लिश इज नोन एज द वर्ल्ड लैंग्वेज, and at present English is spoken and written not in India but all over the world. The version of English that is spoken today is most commonly referred to as modern English. Clear? At present every form of media is operative in this language. Clear? English is not only a corporate language but also a link language. It is also known as global language as well as an international language. All over the world, in many schools, English is the primary language. The knowledge of English in the present time is a common demand in various fields. Nowadays, English is not simply a language, it has become a lifestyle. English is sometimes termed as career language because many employers demand the ability to understand English from their employees properly. It is a core language in most of the multinational transactions. For worldwide recognition, knowledge of English is essential. Since English can reach majority of people easily, English is also the language of internet. Either 80% of the total data is also available on the internet is in English language. It is the universal language for any form of print media as far as newspapers or journals are concerned. All types of international business and exchange of data or currency also completed in this language. Today, English is no more a foreign language but a business language, corporate language, and link language. Words like selfie and blogging are new addition to this language. Everyone, or we can say every person or everybody out of 5 can speak and understand English. English also helps us to learn about different culture. Either we can say that the culture and civilization of different countries. As far as the different types of subjects, and it's also known as the language of science and technology, because different types of invention, different types of technology that is generally used in most of the instruments and all types of inventions that are generally known by anybody else is in English language. It is also a very flexible language and has a rich range of vocabulary. Many important international exams like GRE, TOEFL takes place to test the examinees' English abilities only. English is also the language of sports. It is also the language of progress. And learning English is also a great opportunity as far as job is concerned. Clear? In any multinational companies, if you want to do a good job, then you must have the fluency of English. Either you should know how to write and speak English. Clear? Learning English is also a great opportunity for job, not in India, but also in all walks of life. Clear? For international travel, fluency in English is essential. Almost all important journals and papers are published in English. It is also a polycentric language. In India, also, almost all states have English-speaking people. Clear? Particularly the USA, either United States of America, has about 64% of total English speakers of the world. It is also a career language. Either it provides different types of opportunity as far as career or job is concerned. It is the language of modern times. On the other hand, it is the language of science and technology. It is the language of computers that help to communicate with the people around the world. Today in India, English is the link language of different semi-educated and educated groups. Most jobs requires knowledge of English. Most of the scientific research is reported or translated into English. The international hotels and tourism industries air speak or sea speak is in English. In fact, it was the English language which enlightened our national leaders for their rights and put a force in them. However, the teaching of English language in India has not been universally successful because of poor implementation in schools and colleges. To compete with global market, we must follow or we must know this language, and in this connection, government should also implement it in a primary level, particularly in those states where English is not implemented properly. At last, we can say that learning English is the need of our or the demand of present and future also. इस कड़ी में हमने आज जो कुछ इंग्लिश के बारे में उसके इम्पोर्टेंस पर चर्चा किया है, आप इसको देखेंगे। मैं समझता हूँ आज के लिए इतना ही। नेक्स्ट क्लास में इसके और अदर क्वेश्चन के साथ नेक्स्ट वीडियो लेक्चर जारी होगा। तो आज के लिए इतना ही। थैंक यू वेरी मच।